Okay.
Hello everybody, we're here tonight with our friend Alex and his friend Sabine. And 1 year ago, Alex had the probably great idea to give Sabine a special Christmas present. This Christmas present is called Surstromming. For those of you who don't know what it is some special sort of Swedish fish fermented for years in a barrel. And there are a lot of challenges on the internet right now where people try to open up this can of Surstromming and fall down puking because it just smells so bad. And yeah, tonight's entertainment challenge would be Surstromming. And Sabine, this is your can, so you are the lucky person.
I'm so happy.
Does she have even a fork to... It doesn't matter. We're not going to get that far. Continue.
I won't need a fork.
No.
Do we have a bucket?
Okay.
All
Just
right.
point in the direction, you know.
Okay.
Ooh. We all heard that.
Oh, God. Okay. Okay.
We haven't done one turn of the can opener. This is going brilliantly well.
The can opener has just hit the can and it smells like, I don't know what it is. It's a baby diaper or
Well,
something.
we won't see. Well, I guess crank it.
Other direction.
Other direction.
Du musst auch sagen, dass es gerade sehr stürmt und sehr windig ist und das stinkt trotzdem.
Yeah, it's pretty windy outside.
That's in our favor.
Because we didn't want to do it inside the house before you have to burn the house down.
Yeah.
It is opening.
Swear to God, Simon, if you get that on you, I am not riding in the car with you
Nah.
for the rest of the week.
For those of you who live on the countryside, a pig pen is nothing like this.
No.
Nicht so schlimm ist es.
Person's fart.
Old person's fart. I guess that would be me. Older.
Way older.
Aber schlimmer als ein Schweinestall finde ich.
So if you walk along a sewer,
Yeah.
It's like it's sulfur. It is
it's a mixture of a diaper,
like
a sewer,
rotten
sulfur,
egg.
old person's fart.
What civilization needed this to survive, and why are they still amongst us? I don't know.
Ask the Swedish.
I guess, and I love the Swedish.
Like a street lamp
too.
down.
Has somebody give us a fork, please? We need a fork.
A fork.
We need a
Bare
fork.
hands. Do it with your bare hands.
Oh, so is it opening?
When I have a fork.
Go ahead.
As soon as I have a fork. I'm gonna be hardcore.
Oh God,
drop
no!
it.
Notice I back away.
This is really, really hardcore.
Gentle Alex is gonna try.
Dip your nose.
Ooh, delicate.
We have some bread left from supper. Do you want to, dip your bread in it?
You said you would try?
I will try, and I'll stick to my word.
You can leave it outside and the rats will have fun.
You young people, let me tell you.
I don't want to touch the lid.
I'm not breathing.
Probably I'm gonna have to chop my hand off.
There goes the plate.
So,
No.
no, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, who goes
Ich
first?
putze dir heute aber 20 Mal die Zähne, das garantiere ich dir.
So this is what it looks like.
Pretty bad.
Lord, it looks like something I barfed in the French Quarter in the 90s.
Das sieht schon echt eklig aus.
You have to cut some pieces. I don't think
Also ich hätte nie gedacht, dass man das wirklich essen kann. Ne?
Probably this is the reason why the Viking culture
Um,
came to its downfall.
Sie stinkt wie Sau.
are you going to be able to do it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I stick to my word. I said I'm gonna try it, and I stick to my word.
Okay, Zemo.
Thanks a lot.
Enjoy.
I will.
Looks just as bad as it smells.
Guckst du gleich mal die ganzen Pilze. Ihr schafft es.
Hol doch ein Teil raus und leg's auf den Teller.
Das geht halt nicht.
Und dann schneiden.
Oh my god.
Okay. Look, letting it drain is only prolonging the agony. Just
Du wolltest
let's.
es
So
sagen.
we have one piece. I think you boys can.
Frag mich jetzt echt warum.
Okay.
One for you, one for me.
Yeah.
Smaller pieces.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, Alex.
Ah,
No, yeah.
same time, same time.
Yeah.
Do it simultaneously.
Cheers.
You ready?
All right, count it off.
You count it off.
1, 2, 3.
Yummy.
Do you have hair on your chest yet? How's your penis feeling? Is that enough, Alex? Oh my God. Okay, give me impressions and then we gotta cut it off because I'm gonna have to walk away because it's just like up my nose.
There's no impression.
Taste?
Tastes like rotten fish.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Well,
So,
we needed to taste it to reach that conclusion. Simon, what do you think? It's how a civilization conquered the world.
first-
What do you think?
the first moment is very, very salty, very slimy,
Yeah.
very slimy and salty, and it's
Jetzt vergammelter Fisch halt. Ne?
it's like rotten fish. It's just
It's rotten
just
fish.
Unbelievable.
Okay.
Very
I'll-
salty, slimy, rotten fish.
It's my gift, but you can have it.
Yes.
I don't know what to say.
You know, Zebin, you are just an incredible human
I'm
being.
gonna shit,
It's the sacrifice
ship it
you have
down.
made.
I'm gonna shit the diaper full in return.
All right, kids. All right, I guess there you have it. Say the name of it again. The stinky fish.
It is called Surstromming.
And
In case you want to order it on the internet.
yeah.
Surstromming.
You know, I'm sure it's available at your local Whole Foods and at Amazon.com. So
Exactly.
give it a shot. So we're out, kids.
Thanks to Jeff Bezos for proceeding.
Yes, of course. All right. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Bye bye.